Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video. Something that a lot of people don't know, and it's very useful to know about it. Whatever version of Windows, this is a tips and tricks that works all the way back to Windows XP. So whatever version of Windows you actually have different options of viewing the control panel. And a lot of people don't know about it. So sometimes you go to a fix, for example, on a website, says, hey, you're going to fix this by doing that. Go in the control panel, click that. And people are kind of stumble. I don't see that. Often it's because the view of the control panel is not set like the one that they are actually showing you. So how do you change the different views? Simply go to your control panel. So in Windows XP, Windows 7, you can click the start button. There's the control panel there. You can search for it in control panel in Windows 8, Windows 10. It's still there. So you have one view that is like what you see here. This is the category view. It assembles the major points of what a lot of people will need to see, but I always preferred what was the default in older versions of Windows, which was icon view. So instead of category, you can click on the upper right and you say, hey, I want to see large icons. And here you go. You have all of the icons with the different categories over here. So depending on what you want to view, how you want to view it, everything is in there. It's just a different way of viewing your control panel. So just remember, if there's a fix or there's something you got to follow the instructions, you don't seem to see what they are actually asking you to click in the control panel, remember you can switch between category view or the icon view, which one of them will probably match what you're searching for. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.